Hey everybody, bwcummins here. Different kind of video today. I'm just sharing a problem I have when I go to draw. I move pretty quick and I keep all my stuff to the sides where I can grab it. And I bought these cheap Copic copy markers off Amazon, and they work pretty good. Some of the colors are a little wonky, but I bought these things and they came in this nylon bag, and it you can see it doesn't keep them all upright, and so when I'm going to look for a color, I can't quite find one. The other challenge is 7 to 10 of them end up sideways down at the bottom, and that's always the color I'm looking for. So my son, being the woodworker, I challenged him to build me a little cubby, like a little wooden holder that would keep them all organized and without falling over, little segments in it. And I filmed the process. He's quite good with woodworking, and it was fun to watch and fun to film. And boy, he moves around in a shop like a good artist moves around on paper. And yeah, it's great. I'm glad he has that talent. I'm glad we have the shop here at the house to do that with. So I'm just going to share that process with you. You can sit back and listen to some music and watch it happen. We had to adapt based on, he made this out of scrap lumber, scrap wood that we had around. And so changed the plan a little, but it works just as great. And then at the end, I'll show you how it works with these markers. so here it is in all of its glory. Looks great. I was just going to video my son, but he took off. So anyway, holds all the copy Copic markers and even a bunch of pens, more than I have out. I'll fill that thing up with the rest. But it turned out great. It's going to come in handy. I can see all the colors and grab them quickly. Let's see how long they stay ordered by color. Probably not very long.